What's good, YouTube? It's Constant. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a protein smoothie or a protein shake. Now, I make this smoothie every time after I do a workout, so I have the ingredients lined up right here. Now, this is the protein powder that I'm going to be using. It's called FitCRUNCH. It's whey protein powder. It doesn't have that much protein in it. It has 25 grams in every 2 scoops. Now, I know there's some out there that have like a lot more, but I got this because how good tasting it is. Not that many calories as well. It's not a mass gainer, it's just protein. So I use this protein powder. I also put some fruits in there because you get a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamin D, calcium, and all that. You see, Quaker Oats. Now this is good to get your calories up because half a cup you can get 150 calories. It has a lot of carbohydrates in it. I'm not gonna go too much into breaking down the macros, the proteins, carbs, and fats, but in the description below, I'm gonna put down how many calories and how much protein is in 1 serving of the smoothie. I use this lactose-free ice cream, so you know I don't shit my pants, but yeah, because I also have milk in here. So I'm gonna put everything in the blender and I'm gonna show you guys how I make this smoothie. So there's a certain order to the things you wanna put in the blender. First, you wanna start with your fruits because they're frozen and they're gonna be the hardest to break up. So I'm only gonna throw in a certain amount of fruits. I'm making 1 smoothie just for myself, so I'm not gonna throw that much stuff in the blender. And then you wanna throw in your oats. Probably the same amount as your fruits. About that is good. Next, you want to throw in your protein powder so it mixes up and it doesn't clump up at the top of your smoothie. I'm going to throw in 1, 2 scoops. Now I'm going to throw in my ice cream. This is going to give it a great flavor. It's really going to taste like a milkshake. Probably about 2 scoops of ice cream, same as the protein. Alright. Now, I'm just gonna pour in milk and I'm gonna fill it up until everything is getting covered. That's how I'll know that it's enough. Alright. Now, it's as simple as that. I'm just gonna blend it and it'll be done. Come zoom in on this. Alright, so I finished making my smoothie. I have it right here. I'm gonna pour it into my shaker cup that I got from Phoenix Fitness. Now, you can get 15% off any protein powders, shakers, t-shirts, BCAAs, which is branched chain amino acids, creatine powder, sleep recovery pills, and CBD oil. You can get a lot of stuff at the shop. Check the link in the description. You can get a 15% off discount. It'll be down there. So I'm just gonna pour it into my shaker cup. Alright. Now this is a smoothie right here I'm gonna show you. Alright. Try it. I think it's pretty good. I've had it many times before. This isn't my first time making it, but I just make the smoothie. I down the whole thing. You're gonna watch me down this right now. If you don't believe that I downed the whole thing, I'm gonna show you guys my bottle. I'm telling you, make this protein shake. It tastes good, it's good for you, and it's really easy to make. It was Constant. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the description for the link to phoenixfitness.com. It'll be well worth your time.